Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm going to be showing you how to post on Dribbble. So here on Dribbble, they have similar flow. So I'm just going to share my work on Dribbble. Then I'll click on this icon, this image icon. It takes me to my device. So I'm just going to pick what I want to post. And Dribbble has a particular size of less than 10 MB. So once it's more than 10 MB, it's not going to upload. You see, it's a message that pops up when I post more than 10 MB. So I'll give it a title also. Then I'll just go through the post I'm about to make, then add if I want to, or if I don't want to, I'll just proceed. So I think this is all for now. Then I'll continue. I'll go to the continue. I can also save as drafts, put in my tags. So put in your tags. Then I'm also looking for feedback. I'm going to toggle it on. Then I publish now. So my work is ready. I'm going to like it. And that's all for today. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.